Konnichiwa, hope everyone's good. Back at the spot, just going to have a little day camp. So also got a new mess kit. This one's Russian from 1981. So I'm going to give this a go, never used it yet. Just a two-piece. Fits the cup and everything perfect, because it was designed for the Russian steel enamel cup to fit inside, which is awesome. So I've also brought the Polish peanut canteen from 1931, I think it is. 1932. Just found out it's leaking as well. Not too bad though, should be an easy fix. Also going to be trying some teriyaki ramen. I usually get this in the cups, so hopefully they haven't gone the same way pot noodle went, because when they started putting them in packages like that, they removed the cup and the flavour. I've never known anything so tasteless. I thought the Bachelor's ones were the crap ones. Should be enough. Just need 250ml, which I think is half a cup. Shouldn't take too long to boil. It's on. No point in waiting for it to bloom. Waiting for it to bloom is just wasting fuel. Not doing anything fancy with this. It's also got the notches on the top as well for the to hold the handle up, like the VDV one does. It's also got the Condor Bushcraft withers as well. I think it was a year ago I sharpened this and reprofiled it. Said I was going to bring it down to the woods and try it out to make sure I haven't taken too much metal off, because it's got like a hollow there. Hasn't been ground very well in the factory. A little bit of a hollow there. So I was trying to get those out, and I wanted to see if I'd taken too much metal off, because eventually I just give up trying, because I would have took too much metal off if I carried on. So I said I was going to bring it down and try it out and make sure I haven't taken too much metal off and it's still good, or if this convex is good for this knife steel. I never got around to it, so I'll try it today. So it's got some pine. Bit dead, I'll find something stronger. This one's a bit more alive, I think. Might be something up there. Right there. Find out when I get back to the house and have a proper look. That one had a knot in it, so so far it feels okay. Still sticky sharp. So I believe that's boiled. So now I just need to boil that until there's no water left. Handles aren't hot though. The lid's hot though. Got a lot of squirrels around here. A little bit of a mistake. You're supposed to boil the noodles and the contents of the sachets until there's almost no water left, which there isn't. Hopefully it doesn't make too much difference. Tea is boiled for 2 to 3 minutes. It's been on for about 5 or 10. That's what happens when you don't bother reading the instructions properly. Just add a little bit more water. Not going to harm it. Can you hear somebody firing a gun over that way? And that's public woodland, so it's illegal to do that. A couple 100 yards away there's a footpath up that way, and he's shooting around there. You can hear a fire, police or ambulance siren as well. Probably think they can get away with it with the trees being down. Haven't realised that they've opened up one of the paths up that way. There'll be somebody poaching. So that's the tea ready. And that's a real quick video I just wanted to do. Had a little lunch in the woods, thought I would film it just to get a video out. Also trying the new, or not new but new to me, Russian mess kit for the first time. Haven't done any fancy cooking with it, but 90% of what I'm going to do with it is going to be with Raymond anyway, so for that it works perfectly fine. So I've got nothing else to say, so thanks for watching.